Hello friends, hi. This is the second tutorial video about how to build a WordPress website. So let's start. In first lecture we installed exam server and then we installed WordPress using exam. So now every time whenever you will restart your computer, you have to start exam control panel. So for that you can open from here exam control panel and then start Apache and MySQL. And here you can see now localhost / WordPress / wp-admin. And then admin and password. Whenever you are editing your website, make sure in one tab you will open localhost / WordPress / wp-admin, and in another tab you will open localhost / WordPress. Now whatever we will change here, this will automatically implement here. So let's start editing or building our WordPress website. When you see your website, you can see also a toolbar is appearing on top. This is just because of you are login. So if you don't want to see this top bar, you can click here and edit my profile and then uncheck this option, show toolbar when viewing site, and then update profile. Now if you refresh, you can see toolbar is not there. So now next thing, you can see this is the title of your website, main title, but just another WordPress site. This is title, and actually this is tagline, just another WordPress site. You can select tagline according to your business, like whatever you are doing, like you have a business about something like some about garments, or this type of business, you can type here any tagline according to your business. Or if you have a personal website, you can select here tagline according to your skills and whatever you have. So right now we can click on settings and journal. So in journal settings, you can see site title is here and then tagline. So if you change this tagline and then you click on save changes, now refresh, you can see here just another WordPress site on top of the browser also. So if you refresh, now you can see it has been changed in both places, here also and there also. Now when you install WordPress very first time, you can see one you can see one post by default, and you can also see one page and one comment. Like you can see a recent comment is here, and we can see this post here. So first of all, we will delete some things which has been installed, or we can see just after the installation. So you can click on post, all posts, and this one, now we can send this post to trash. When we delete any post, it goes to trash folder. If you refresh now, you can see post is not there. So if you want to restore this post, you can go to trash, and anytime you can restore. Like let me restore, and if I refresh the page, we can see again the post will appear. So now click on all and I will delete, and then from trash I will delete it permanently. We have one pages section. In pages, all pages, you can click here and we can see, actually I told one page is published page and one is privacy policy, which is draft, actually has not been published yet. So we can click here, it will select all of them, and here now we can see 2 pages. So bulk actions you can apply, like move to trash, and then in trash we can select again and delete permanently. Now pages has been deleted, comment automatically has been deleted when we deleted the post, and we have some plugins as well. So you can see here plugins, installed plugins. So these 2 plugins like Kismet, Anti-Spam and Hello Dolly, so you can delete these both plugins. Now if you click on dashboard, so in dashboard you can see like this one, a new modern publishing experience is coming soon, and welcome to WordPress, where you can see you can customize your site, you can change your theme completely, you can write your first blog post, you can add an about page, you can view your site from here, you can manage widgets or menus, you can turn comments on or off, or you can learn more about getting started. Here you can make a quick draft which will save in the post section but will not publish. At a glance you can see here like WordPress 4.9.8 running, and in activity you can see no activity yet, and WordPress events and news, you can read here some news, and we are using version 4.9.8, which is the latest version. So if you don't want to see these things on dashboard, you can click on screen options and then you can uncheck these all options. Now you can see nothing is here. This is in case if you don't want to see, because all options we can do from here. We can customize our site from here, we can change theme completely from here, post pages, even in the toolbar we have section where we can add new post, we can add media, we can add page, we can add user. But in case if you don't want to remove these things, you can recheck them. Okay. In update section, like if any update is available for WordPress by itself or about plugins or themes, you will be notified, and you have to update each and everything. Now in post section you can see all posts, add new categories and tags. So we will discuss all these things one by one. In all posts, actually we have deleted one default post, hello world, so therefore we can't see any post here. So before adding a new post, we will go to appearance and themes. Actually this theme is a by default theme, so we will change this theme, appearance themes. If you click appearance themes, so you can see we have 3 themes here, 2015, 2016 and 2017. If you want to add new theme, you can click on add new. Now in this section we can see we have different themes. We have popular section where we can see some popular themes. We can see latest section where we can see latest themes, or we can search by name or some other queries or terms you can say, like for example if you want to search about green themes, so you can see all green color combination themes will appear. If you are searching for a blog, you can see blog themes will appear. If you are going to make a classified website, so you can search for classified, see. And if you are going to make an e-commerce website, you can search with shop as well. So here you can see some stunning and beautiful themes which we can use free without paying anything, because these all themes are free themes. So here we will start with human theme. Human is the name of the theme. Why I am choosing or selecting this theme? Because in this theme we can do a lot of things, and you will learn a lot of things, so it will very easy for you after working in this theme. So you will able to work in any theme. So first of all, install this theme. And then activate. So once you activate this theme, now if you refresh your website, you can see theme has been changed. So now here we can see title and tagline. We can see here the layout of the theme. This area is called right sidebar, and this area is called left sidebar, and this is the main content area, and this is the footer area where we can add footer widgets and footer credit links and other things. We can copyrights also we can apply. So before adding post, now we will add some categories. First we will make a blog. I will show you that how we can make a blog using WordPress. So let me select like 5 categories. This you can see here categories names, and here you can add new category. We can see by default one category, that is uncategorized. We can edit this category, we can quick edit this category, we can view this category, but we can't delete this category. Why? Because in future, if you will forget to assign any category to any post, WordPress will put that post in this category. So right now we will create 5 categories. Let me show you how you can. For example, you have plan, you want to write about technology, so you can write here technology. So the name is how it appears on your site. Slug is the URL friendly version of the name. It is usually all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers and hyphens. So we have to use here small letters. So technology. Parent category, right now this is first category, so there will no parent category. Description you can write here like technology articles here, and then add new category. Now if there are 2 words in your category, for example mobile phones, so slug will be now hyphen. You will use hyphen in between words. So mobile hyphen phones. So mobile phones specifications. Add new category. Then Samsung, and slug is Samsung. Now parent category you can select here mobile phones. So Samsung will be the child category of mobile phones, and mobile phones will be the parent category of Samsung. Samsung new and old mobile phones specifications. Then fashion, like fashion and fashion news and articles about fashion. Now we have total 4 categories, and one more we will make like communication. If you want to delete category, you can delete from here. So instead of communication, we will make health, and there is no parent category for health and health articles here. And actually for fashion I didn't change parent category, so we can click on edit, and in edit we can select none. So fashion is by itself, it is a parent category. Now in categories we have six actually categories. One is by default and 5 categories that we made. Okay, Samsung is the child category of mobile phones. Now we will add a new post. So now we will add a post. Just click on add new. Now you will decide on which category you want to write. For example, we want to write about health. Any article, so just select the category health and enter title here. Like 5 foods which you should eat always. When you start a new post first time, you can see here some article formatting options, like we have one line, one toolbar. So if you click here toolbar toggle, then we can see here one more toolbar. So now the content, definitely you will write your own content without plagiarism. Content should not be plagiarized, content should be unique content. So I recommend to my viewers and students that you should always write your own content. And right now, to save the time, we will use lorem ipsum text, which is dummy text without copyrights. For that we can open ellipsum.net, and here we can see like paragraphs, 5 paragraph, or we can click here like 6 paragraph and generate lorem ipsum. Now we can see we have 6 paragraphs. First paragraph we can copy, now this is first food. This is second. This is third. So now let me show you some editing options, which are very normal editing options if you have used Microsoft Word. So headings are very important when you are writing content, especially for SEO, search engine optimization. So you can select first food, and then from here, this is paragraph, you can change it to heading 2, and this one, for example, heading 3, and this one heading 4, and this one is heading 5, and this one is heading 6. And first heading of the article, like healthy foods description. Heading 1. So you can see heading 1 size is the big, like is most biggest size, and then second heading, third heading, and fourth, fifth, and sixth heading. There are 6 types of headings we can use. If you want to change any text into bold, you can select the text and then you can click bold. If you want to change any text like italic, we can make from here. If you want to change the color of any text, you can select text, and from here you can change the color. And if you want to type, like always follows these instructions. If you want to make like a bulleted list, so we can click here, first instruction, second instruction. Now if we want to finish this, so we can click one time more, enter, like more instructions. This is the numbered list, like first instruction, second instruction, and third instruction. If we want to change alignment of any text, we can select the text, and then from, just a minute, we can select the text, and from here we can change. For more information, please visit our another official website. If you want to make a link, you can select the text, and from here you can insert or edit link. You can type link here, or you can select from existing options. Right now we don't have any other page in our website, so I will type. You can paste URL or type like and then click apply. If you want to make a line, you can click on horizontal line. If you want to make strike through text, you can click here. If you want to erase all these things, you can clear format. If you want to paste as text, you can use this option. If you want to increase indent or decrease indent, you can use this thing, like increase will increase and decrease will decrease. This we can use undo and redo. And if you want to use special characters, like we have registered products and we have complete copyrights. If you want to use, here you can see special character. So like, see, this is registered trademark, and if you want to use copyright symbol, so you can see here different symbols. You can see you can use these special characters like copyrights. Okay, so these all things, I hope you have learned how to make a new post and how you can apply category. And now you can publish this post. Just click on publish, and now if you refresh your home page, because by default WordPress is a blog, so see on home page now we can see this post, 5 foods which you should eat always. So if we click, so this is the post link, and we can see here this is the heading 1, this is H2, this is H3, H4, H5 and H6. and here we can see this is bold text and this is italic text, and here you can see the color of the text is red, and here you can see we linked also, like this one we applied a link to this official website Word, and this is the horizontal line, this is bulleted list, this is numbered list, this is strike through text, and here we used registered trademark and copyright. So, and here you can see by admin, and this is the date format. So you can see this post. Now if you click here, you can see it will go to home page. This is called featured image in WordPress. So for featured image, we will right now we will use any website. There are lots of websites from where you can download and use images without having to worry about copyrights restrictions. So for example, this was something about food, so we can search here healthy foods. If we search, so we can use any image from here. For example, let me choose, all are very good images. For example, not bad, this one we can use. You can download from here. This is original size, which is like very big size, 5356 by 3571 pixels. We will use this small size 640 by 426 is okay for featured image. So download this image. Once the image has been downloaded, we can right click and then show in folder. Now we will cut and paste this photo here, and then we can rename this file like file healthy foods. So for instance, if you have published the website and published the post, and now you click any other place in your dashboard, and now you want to edit this post, so you can click on post, and here you can see with every post we can see 4 options. First is edit, quick edit, trash and view. About trash I have explained, like you can send to trash, then from trash you can delete it permanently. From view we can view this post, and from edit you can edit this post. I will also show you what is quick edit. So once you edit, click on edit, so you can see everything you can do here. You can change the text, you can change the category, and featured image section is here. You can set featured image here, then select files, click on select files, and we have that image on in our desktop. Just select that image and then click on open, and don't forget to apply alternative text. There are 2 benefits of this field. Like first, the main benefit is like this one is very good for SEO, search engine optimization, for on-page optimization. And second benefit, like people who have slow internet connection, and if they are not able to view the image, then instead of image, alternative text will appear. So you can type text like same as title, the keyword like healthy foods, and then set featured image, Now you can see there is no publish button. Now this is update because this post is already published. So now we can update this post because we are editing the post. So just click on update, and now if you refresh this page, you can see perfect, the image has been appeared there with this post, 5 foods which you should eat always, and if you click here you can see the post will appear. So the featured image will appear in home page with your post. Now for example, if you create another post like add new, like if I'm going to write something about technology, why technology, or why technology, which technology sources you should know. Now here we will add just a simple paragraph, and then we will add another image. So we will download from this website. So free download, this small size. If you right click and then show in folder, so we can sorry, this is already downloading in desktop because I'm using my download folder, desktop. So rename this one is technology sources. So now if we click on set featured image and click upload files, now we can also use existing images from our media library because we have uploaded only one image, so therefore we can see here only one image. So if you click on upload files, then select files, and this is technology sources, and write alternative text, and then click set featured image, and now click publish. So now when you refresh your page, home page, you can see the first post is now the latest post, which technology sources you should know, and the previous post we can see here like 5 foods which you should eat always. So as you will write a new post, previous post will be old post, will go like here down. So this is how we can add post. I hope you have learned a lots of things in this video, like how we can create a post, how we can add the text, and how we can format article, how we can add featured image, and in next part I will show you how we can add images inside the content, how we can add YouTube videos or any other like daily motion videos, and more things I will show you. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.